Hey, it's Austin Miller, the Gentleman Caller, and as most of you know, I love to turn unorthodox things into planters. So what we're gonna do today is turn this wire bird cage that I got it off a Craigslist ad for $5, and we're gonna turn it into this beautiful planter that's gonna hang and just explode with colors and fragrances, and it's going to be absolutely beautiful and a project that costs probably less than $15 all told. So let's get to work. It's a name brand, obviously, that I'm not going to say. And what I've done is I took the rim off with a knife and I put 4 little drain holes in it. Drain holes are very important. Assembly is going to be super easy. You simply take this, shove it in the bottom, start adding a little dirt. Now you don't need to put in much because the dirt around your plants is going to take up a lot of room too. What you do want to do is maybe establish some layers so that certain plants sort of cascade differently than others. So keep that in mind. Make sure your plants like each other, that they all sort of have similar watering and sun requirements, or half of them will die. Now keep the root ball intact on this thing. A lot of people think you need to break up a root ball. It's not true. It actually contributes to transplant shock. So I'm delicately weaving these flowers through the wires of the bird cage. Now where there's not plants, we're going to judiciously add some more dirt. Big payoff for a pretty minimal investment of time and resources. And as the plants continue to grow, the basket, the base and the bottom is just going to absolutely disappear because things are going to overflow on top of it. This will attract birds, hopefully some hummingbirds. That's what they told me at the nursery at least. So we'll see. I hope you enjoyed the Gentleman Caller's Birdcage Planter.